Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z Exam Guru platform. Today we will discuss about very important topic of coordinate geometry, that is ellipse. So let us see in this case. There are two types of ellipse. One which is you are saying is left hand side and another is right hand side of this screen. So let us start with the left one. So this is a general representation of ellipse. The basic equation of this type of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Here, the noticeable point is that a always greater than b. The coefficient a is always greater than coefficient b. And this axis, right friends, this axis x dash in which a and a dash is written, it is called a major axis because this is bigger than the other one, and this y dash axis is called minor axis in this case, and the total length of the major axis is 2a. From a dash to origin it is a, and from origin to a it is a, so total length of the major axis is 2a. Similarly, origin to this point, right, it is a small b, and origin to this point is a small b, it is a minor axis, and total length of minor axis is 2b. Similarly, the vertex coordinate is a comma 0. From the distance from here to here is a, so the coordinate is a comma 0 because at the point of uh, on the x-axis y always 0, that's why a comma 0. Similarly, from on the left hand side it is minus a comma 0 because the x coordinate is minus a and y is 0, so minus a comma 0. And it is, this point is called focus, so the coordinate of focus is a e comma 0. E is called eccentricity of the ellipse, and the formula for eccentricity is given here: b square equal to a square 1 minus a square, and in this case is minus a e comma 0, right friends. So it is minus a comma 0 and it is a e comma 0, and it is 0 comma 0. This is 0 comma b and this is 0 comma minus b. So there are four vertices, this a dash, and you can say it is nominated, it is b and b dash. Let us take, so 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b, and focuses, and these are the vertex. This is called a lattice rectum. This is called a lattice rectum. It is a line which is passing through focus and joining the 2 points on the ellipse. It's called a lattice rectum. And there are two lattice rectum, right friends? So this one is passing from point a e comma 0, and it is another one which is passing from minus a e comma 0, right? And the line which is behind the vertex is called directrix, and the equation of directrix is x equal to minus a upon e. Similarly, a line which is behind the vertex a and parallel to y-axis is called directrix, and the equation of this is x equal to a upon e. Now I hope all the things are clear in this diagram. Now let us do another one. The equation of this type of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. In this case, b is greater than a, and the formula for eccentricity is a square equal to b square 1 minus e square. Now let's see, because this axis is greater and this axis is smaller, so this one is a major axis in this case and this is a minor axis in this case. The total length of the major axis is 2b, because from here to there it is a b and here to there it is a b, so it is a 2b. Similarly, it is here to here it is a, and here to here it is a, so it is totally a 2a. The coordinates of the vertices is 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. Similarly, it is a comma 0 comma a comma 0 and minus a comma 0, right? And the coordinates of focus is 0 comma be and 0 comma minus be, and the coordinates of vertex 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b and a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. And this is the latest rectum. Right friends, this is another latest rectum. And the equation of directrix is y equal to b upon e, and similarly directrix is y equal to minus b by e. So I hope that the basic terminology related to this ellipse is also clear to you. Now let us see the different parameters at one place. So the coordinates of center of both type of standard ellipses 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, and the coordinate of vertices is a comma 0 minus a comma 0, and in this case is 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. Similarly, the coordinate of foci are a comma 0 and minus a comma 0, 0 comma be and 0 comma minus b. Similarly, the length of major axis is 2a in this case, and length of major axis in this case is 2b. Similarly, length of minor axis in this case is 2b, and length of minor axis in this case is 2a. Equation of major axis y equals 0, because the equation of x-axis is y equals 0. Similarly, the equation of major axis in this case is x equals 0, and equation of minor axis in this case is x equals 0, and in this case y equals 0. Equation of directrix is x equal to a upon e and x equal to minus a by e. Similarly, for this one, y equal to b by e and y equal to minus b by e. And eccentricity for this type of circle, this type of ellipse is under root 1 minus b square upon a square, and for this type of ellipse is e equal to under root 1 minus a square upon b square. And length of latest rectum for this type of ellipse is 2b square upon a, and for this type of ellipse is 2b square upon a. And now let us see the question. The question is given to us is x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. Now let us compare this with x square upon a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So we will get a equal to 5 and b equal to 4. So since a is greater than b, that's why it is first type of ellipse. Now we have to calculate the major axis. So what is major axis? It is a 2a, it means it is 10. Minor axis is 2b, so it is 8, right? And now you have to calculate center of vertices to a comma 0 and minus a comma 0, a comma 0 and minus a comma 0, 5 comma 0 and minus 5 comma 0. Now see center of vertices, center of foci, coordinates of foci, coordinates of foci, e comma 0 and minus e comma 0. And you have to find out the eccentricity, right? And then you can find another thing. So let us see, if you want to find the eccentricity, e equal to, we noted that 1 minus b square upon a square, 1 minus b square by a square, and this is 1 minus b is 4 square by 5 square. It means 25 minus 16, so you will get 3 by 5. It is eccentricity 3 by 5, right friends? So if you want to calculate this AE, it means 5 into 3 by 5 comma 0 and minus 5 into 3 by 5 comma 0, you will get 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0 coordinates of foci. Right friends, after that major axis we find, minor axis we find, equation of major axis y equal 0 and x equal 0. equation of major axis and minor axis. Major axis y equal 0 and minor axis x equal to 0. Similarly, equation of directrix is x equal to a upon e. Equation of directrix x equal to a upon e. A 5 upon is 25 by 3 and x equal to minus b by e minus 25 by 3. Similarly, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum to b square upon a. So it is 2 in b square is 16 upon 5. So it is 32 by 5. So friends, hope that it is 32 by 5. So once again, I will repeat all the things, basic concept related to it. First of all, when ellipse is given to us, find out you convert into this standard form. That's why you will get able to know that a is greater than or b is greater than, and depending upon that you can apply the formula, uh, formulas, and calculate the different values of major axis, minor axis, latest term, directrix, vertices, and all the things, right? So, dear students, I hope that you will got the concept. uh, Keep remembering the formula related to both type of ellipse. From examination point of view, the most of the question is asked in the type 1, but remember the both, because you don't know whenever they ask the question from second one. So thank you students, thank you so much for watching this lecture, and I would like to request you share to your friends if you think it is useful to them also, and subscribe it for latest notification. Write your comment in comment box. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you so much, students.